time for some lawn use, sponsored by Gig and Giancola. We've got Christopher Giancola and Michael Gig here. You guys, good morning and welcome back.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, talking about the things that keep us up all night, the things you do on a daily basis.
Right, yeah.
You decided, hey, I want to do this for the rest of my life.
That's right, yes.
Tell us what you guys specialize in.
Yeah, so I do most of our estate planning, real estate matters. Chris does our personal injury, workers' compensation, and Social Security.
All right, and yeah, you got a question now that we all want to know, right?
Yeah.
It's all on the mind of everybody. So
Right.
I don't know if we've talked about this.
That's what I was saying too. I don't know if we
What
have.
an umbrella insurance policy is and why the heck you would have something like this.
Well, umbrella insurance policies are not for everyone, okay? Umbrella policies, in essence, protect your own assets. So if you start gaining assets, so if you have the house paid off, if you have your cars paid off, if you have significant monies and stuff, savings in the bank, then you might want to think about an umbrella policy. Because an umbrella policy is exactly what it is. It's an overarching policy that goes over on top of all your other policies and protects you if you are negligent and cause an accident or something along those lines. So you usually have to have the absolute maximum insurance. So you have to have $250,000 or $300,000 worth of insurance on your car insurance, on your house, everything has to be all maxed out, and then you can get additional umbrella policy, which is usually about $1 million to protect you. Now, the one good thing about an umbrella policy is that it's relatively not that expensive. So an umbrella policy that I've looked at before, whenever I've seen people's policies, usually they're about $250 to $350 a year. So, and the reason why they're so inexpensive is that they have to get through your other insurance first. So they'd have to collect on that $300,000 or whatever if you cause the accident. And again, with the stuff that I do, a lot of times injuries are not worth that much money whenever it comes to $300,000, $400,000, $1 million and stuff. These are catastrophic injuries. But it is something good if you have assets to protect yourself so that they cannot go after your own personal property and things. And for peace of mind, $250 to $350 if you have things, it's worth it. Now, the other thing is I've talked about underinsured and uninsured motorist. You can get an umbrella policy for that to protect you, but it is crazy expensive. So if you'd get that, it could be $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to protect your family with an additional $1 million type of deal. So that's usually cost prohibitive. People don't usually do that type of deal. So it's just another one of those quirky little things with insurance that's out there.
So not designed necessarily for everybody.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah. Again, if you don't have things paid off, if you're just starting out and things, if you're renting, it's not really worth it type of deal. But once you get more, it's something that a lot of older people have that have collected assets, that have things paid off, that just is a little bit more peace of mind.
Yeah, okay. That's a good breakdown there.
Yeah.
Makes sense. And people obviously can work with an attorney just like yourself to kind of establish something like this, or, well, not exactly establish it, but kind of work through the nuances of maybe those assets and handling.
Absolutely, yeah, yeah. Sometimes whenever I go over things, I do say, hey, you might want to look into this.
Right.
Yep, and then they can talk to their insurance agent.
Exactly, yeah, keeping those folks straight.
Yes.
That's what you do. Well, people can reach out to your practice, give you guys a call, visit your website.
Yeah, call us at 946-1606 or through our website at gig-law.com.
All right, very good.